Right, I just picked this up. It's been a long morning. I was up at 5, went to Essex, and I'm back. If you remember, this was a passenger seat, and it was all ripped open here while the stitching had been rotted out from the roof leaking over years and years. This is now all soft. It's had a lot of feeding. Look at that. That's much softer. I'm going to carry on feeding it. But he's done a great job here. He's had to put new leather. See, it's broken here. New leather inside and glue it all. You can see there's even more of it around this side where it's had new leather underneath, and it's all soft, and it's all been stuck. But you know, look at that. That's pretty supple now. And it's had all new inside as well, the padding, as well as the original stuff put back, or what there was of it. This is really lovely now. So there we go. I'll put some pictures up of it before, and I'm going to chuck it back in the car, but I'm really pleased with it. Right, and there it is back in the car. So, hopefully now, shadows on it, but you can see that you'd probably never know it had been sorted, which is the general idea. Great.